New uncertainty over who is responsible in representing Delphi double murder suspect Richard Allen. Late this evening, his original attorneys filed paperwork to represent him pro bono if they're not reappointed as his public defenders. Judge Fran Gull previously announced Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rosie had withdrawn from this case, and now both men have filed to represent him voluntarily. And they all claim that they were coerced by the judge to withdraw. Meantime, the judge already appointed two new attorneys to represent Allen.
All of this confusion is happening just hours before the next scheduled court hearing tomorrow. And it's not entirely clear at this point who will be at the defense table representing Richard Allen. In separate filings today, Allen requested the Indiana Supreme Court weigh in on the case. Fox 59's Max Lewis walks us through today's new developments. Max?
This legal debacle began with a leak of crime scene evidence by a former employee of Allen's original defense attorney, Andrew Baldwin. Judge Fran Gull called everyone to her Fort Wayne courtroom earlier this month to discuss the leak, and what happened there set off a back and forth that is now headed for the state's highest court.
It started with Judge Fran Gull's shocking announcement to a packed courtroom.
Earlier this afternoon, the defense attorneys have withdrawn their representation of Mr. Allen.
But attorneys Baldwin and Bradley Rosie said they never officially withdrew and accused Judge Gull of threatening them to either resign or be publicly shamed and then forcibly removed from the case. The attorneys maintain that they still represent Richard Allen since they never submitted official court documents to withdraw from the case. At the end of last week, they filed a motion to have Judge Gull removed from the case, accusing her of being biased against them and overstepping her legal authority. But after that motion was filed, Judge Gull ordered it and others struck from the court record because Baldwin and Rosie no longer represent Allen. In a new filing today to the Indiana Supreme Court, civil attorneys for Richard Allen, who are new on the case, asked the state's highest court to reinstate all of those filings that Judge Gull struck from the record. They also asked the court to prevent Judge Gull from doing something similar in the future. Chief Justice Loretta Rush responded and gave Judge Gull until next Thursday to respond to the complaint. After that, she said she will take both arguments into consideration and make a decision. Despite the claims from Allen's original defense team that they still represent him, Judge Gull has already appointed two new attorneys from Fort Wayne to take over the case. Richard Allen said in a letter to Judge Gull that he wants his original defense team to stay with him.
Today's filings before the Supreme Court don't address some of the major issues of who is Richard Allen's actual defense team and will Judge Fran Gull stay on this case. All this confusion unfolding before Allen is expected to be back in court tomorrow at 9 a.m. where we expect his new defense team will be introduced and a new trial date will be set. In studio, Max Lewis, Fox 59 News.